A lot of people think that using more detergent means your clothing will get more clean. Unfortunately, the exact opposite is true. Hi, my name is Renee. I'm an appliance care and maintenance specialist, and this is part 2 of my series talking about 6 of the most common laundry issues that people don't realize can be caused by using too much laundry detergent. Issue number 2, your laundry and/or your washing machine smell bad, even after washing. Now, I will say using too much laundry detergent is not the only reason why that can happen, but it is a very common reason. So we know that using too much laundry detergent regularly can cause a buildup inside of your machine. And the way that laundry detergent works is the detergent bonds with the dirt and grime, and then the rinse cycle in your washing machine flushes that all away. But if you're using too much detergent and it can't all get flushed away, it's not just detergent that's staying stuck in your machine. It's all of the other stuff that was in your laundry too, which understandably can start to stink. One of the easiest ways to test to see if you have a detergent buildup inside of your washing machine is to run your washing machine completely empty with no laundry in it whatsoever on a hot water cycle. Let the cycle run for a few minutes, and once it gets to the point where your washing machine is agitating, see if you get any bubbles. Because if the washing machine is empty and you didn't add any detergent to it, there is no reason why you should have any bubbles whatsoever inside your machine. Unless, of course, there's something wrong. And for as much as that buildup can stick inside of your machine, it can stick inside of your clothing as well. A lot of people think that using more detergent means your clothing will get more clean. Unfortunately, the exact opposite is true. Because again, you have detergent and dirt and grime mixed together, and they can't wash out all the way. And another fun fact, and by fun I mean kind of gross, is detergent buildup can actually be one of the reasons why your clothing becomes dingy. Which doesn't sound so bad until you think about the fact that dingy clothing is generally a very pale yellowy orange color, and the color brown is really just a very, very dark shade of orange. So once your washing machine is free of any kind of buildup, if you want to check if your clothing has a buildup, you can run a similar test. You can take any clothing items that you think may have a detergent buildup in them and put them in your washing machine with no detergent whatsoever. Now, you don't want to run that on hot because that can actually damage your clothing if it's not meant for hot water. But if you put your washing machine on either cool or warm, that'll still be totally fine to see the suds in the clothing if you have a buildup in them.